10 must-have beauty products for a quick and easy makeup routine. Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for all things beauty. In this video, we'll be sharing the 10 must-have beauty products that will revolutionize your makeup routine and help you achieve a flawless look in no time. We understand that life can get busy, and finding the right makeup products that are both efficient and effective is essential. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or someone looking to streamline your daily routine, these carefully curated beauty essentials are designed to save you time and elevate your overall makeup game. Join us as we take you through each product, providing insights and practical tips on how to use them effectively. Join us as we take you through each product, providing insights and practical tips on how to use them effectively. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll discover in this video. 1. Primer perfection. The key to a long-lasting makeup look starts with a reliable primer. Learn how to create a smooth canvas for your foundation and keep your makeup in place all day. 2. Foundation that fits. Discover the ideal foundation for your skin type and tone. Achieve a flawless complexion with our recommended foundation picks that offer buildable coverage and a natural finish. 3. Concealer magic. Say goodbye to under-eye circles and blemishes with our top concealer choices. We'll show you how to brighten your eyes and achieve a flawless complexion effortlessly. 4. Multitasking brow product. Master the art of perfecting your brows with a versatile brow product that fills, shapes, and defines your brows in one easy step. 5. Effortless eyeshadow palette. Explore an eyeshadow palette that complements your skin tone and provides a range of versatile shades to create both day and night looks effortlessly. 6. Eyeliner elegance. Create captivating eyes with the perfect eyeliner. From classic to dramatic, we'll show you how to achieve different eyeliner styles for every occasion. 6. 7. Luscious lashes. Unlock the secret to voluminous and fluttery lashes with our favorite mascara picks. Get ready to bat those lashes with confidence. 8. Natural flush. Enhance your complexion with a flattering blush shade that adds a healthy and radiant glow to your cheeks. 9. Radiant highlighter. Illuminate your features with a stunning highlighter that adds a touch of radiance to your high points and brings your makeup to life. 10. Lip perfection. Complete your look with a lip product that nourishes and enhances your pout. From subtle to bold, we'll show you versatile lip options for any mood. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or simply want to achieve a polished look in minutes, these 10 must-have beauty products will become your makeup essentials for every occasion. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest beauty content. Get ready to elevate your makeup routine with these game-changing beauty products and embrace the beauty within you.